What's up, guys? Tonight we're going to address a small problem that I think a lot of two-door coupe owners have that have seatbelt arm extenders, and that is the seatbelt falls off the extender. So I'm going to show you a couple tips, tricks to get it to stay on track. Now this isn't going to last forever. You might get 3 to 6 months out of it, but it only takes a few minutes, so it's worth your time. So stand by and we're going to get into it. Okay, so this is really a two-part problem. You'll notice the metal guide arm down there at the bottom. I think this gets neglected pretty often when cleaning the back seat. Over time, driving with the windows down, people getting in and out, that bar becomes tacky and it puts more drag on the seatbelt, which lends to it falling off of the extender. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean that up, give it a nice smooth surface that it can slide across. All you really have to do is clean off the bar with damp paper towel. I use glass cleaner. And give this a good clean, dry it up when you're done. And then I'll also take something like a builder's pencil. And what you want to do is you want to get under here and get the grime out of the bottom of this. You'll be surprised how much will get in there. If you have dogs, dog hair will get in there, and that will just lend to the problem. So just take that in there. I've already done this, so just to give you an idea, and you just kind of just push the gunk out, and then the pencil will also provide a little bit of a slick material that'll help that slide, so that should help out. Okay, I was saying this is a two-part problem here, and this is the second part. So over time, your seatbelt's going to lose some of its integrity just through use. We'll try and get this in the shot here. You'll notice that it gets really wavy, and that's lends to the problem. It just kind of helps fall off. So the solution here is a little bit crazy, but it does work. We're going to iron it. So we're going to pull this out, we're going to drape it over our iron here, and we're going to try and get it ironed as best as we can. Get this out. I'm going to starch it, stiffen it up so it's easier to grab onto. Give that a good coating. Now, make sure you got a nice hot iron. And don't camp out on it too long, you don't want to burn it. Just get it in there, nice and flat. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but that has helped take out some of the wrinkle in the belt. And I'm going to work on this a little more, just get the parts that I couldn't do, but that's going to help take care of the problem. And as you can see, it is now catching the seatbelt. Shot for good measure, and I think we're good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.